Okay, now, so we are going to discuss today vertical relative accelerated motion. So let me begin with already we are discussed now. So let me start with, so there are two objects are there. This is the object A. Separated by 10 meters. So this I'll project with a velocity 4 meters per second. So the question is like this, at t equals 0, both the balls are projected with initial velocity as shown. Find the time at which they'll meet. Okay, no, I think this one. So there's a 10 meter, it is there. What is the separation between the bodies or the particles? Balls initially 10 meter, that one, I'll project it. Now, at what point, find the time at which they will meet? That was the question that is asked here. Okay, now we'll directly get into the relative accelerated motion concept. What are the few things? Okay, let's go for the acceleration. What type of motion the ball I will describe? The ball I will describe accelerated motion. So how the weight of that will act vertically down. So acceleration, let me write here, equal to G. Then what about the weight of the ball B will act? It will act vertically down. And anything directed up, let me take positive. There's a convention. Let me choose convention. It's left to you. A student can pick up convention in any direction. So I'll pick up anything directed upward positive. So let this be S equal to 0. What is it directly? Let's go to the formula. SAB final SAB initial UAB T plus AB T square by 2. Finally, they'll meet. Where they'll meet? They'll meet somewhere here. Let's take a situation. They need not meet exactly the midpoint. Anywhere it can be. So there's a ball A, there's a ball B. So here the velocity of ball A will be VA. This is VB. So let them meet at height H. This happens at time T. Fine, all of you able to understand the situation? Okay, let's come for finally they'll meet. No, so what is the separation between them? 0 minus. So at what height the A is 10 and B I'm taking at origin. So let me take this as origin. Is equal to UA. What is the velocity of the particle, initial velocity of particle? Minus 4, no? Downward, let me take negative, that one. Or in the, anything, there's nothing like upward only should be positive. A student can pick up any convention. So velocity of, initial velocity of ball A is downward, no? So therefore this will be minus 4. So this will be plus 20. Are you seeing the convention? See, I think it's all about the conventions, no? How you are going to substitute the things with the sign in the formula is what the concept finish over. You should have patience. That's all I feel. Nothing big. What is the acceleration of A? It's like a minus g. I think I'll write one more step. Some of you are getting confusion. Let me write one more step. Let me expand this. Anyway, this will be 0. I'll need not to write. SA. Some of you are asking, sir, why all that one? Huh? Let me clarify it. UA minus UBT plus. Okay, now come for this. Look at the acceleration of ball A. It is vertically down now, so you're going to write it as minus G. Look at the acceleration of B. It's also downward, so you're going to write. See the equation. Now this has become minus 10 equal to minus 4 minus 20 minus 24 T. So T equal to how much? 10 by 24, 5 by 12 seconds. After this time, they will meet. At what height? So what is the question? At what height? So how to calculate height? H is equal to UB T minus GT square. Substitute the values. You'll get the, what is the value of UB? 20, 5 by 12 minus 10 to 5 by 12 whole square.
Sir? Sir, UA is negative now, sir, minus. As it is going downwards, we took it as positive now, sir, our convention.
Which one you are asking?
The acceleration, sir.
See, look at we are not putting sign for acceleration or retardation. So particle A is accelerating. So how is that acceleration downward? So therefore negative. Particle B is retarding. How that retardation downward? So it's also negative. So we are not putting sign for acceleration retardation. We are putting for the direction of acceleration retardation. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
I'll just mark them so that will be very easy for you. This is what I think. It's all about the formula. Yeah, the total relative motion is like just like similar formula based. Nothing big. Anybody value of H? Anybody value of H?
3.3.
3.3. 3.3. Okay, fine. Okay, now this what happened. There's a method. It's all about this. Here is what very important. Okay, let me give one more case.
Sir, it is 7.46.
Yes, sir, it is 7.46.
7.46, ma? Okay, I'll make connection. H equal to. Say that, let me not say anything. It's there's a way of applying this formula in this particular case. Better you can call convention, rule, or method. 7.6 meter. At this site, they'll meet. Now, can we calculate velocities? Yes, velocities are UA plus GT. Velocities are UB minus GT. When they're colliding, no? So this will be the velocities of the colliding balls. Velocities of colliding balls. Okay, no? So all the information, see, once you get time, I think rest everything we can manage. Anybody taking screenshot? You can go for it. I'll scroll down. Huh?
Done.
Okay. At t equals 0, both the balls are projected vertically up simultaneously. Find the time at which they will meet. I'll give the diagram. Okay, these are both the and the initial separation the same 10 meter. And again, carry on. They're on same line. To make you understand, I'm just giving some horizontal displacement, but actually A and B are on the same line. A and B, path of A and B are on same line. Or both will be at same level. Anything it can be taken like this. So you don't bother anything, directly jump into formula, substitute, get the answer time. After getting time, you can go for the path. Okay, how actually A will move. All the information after getting time, we can verify it. Again, the formula will be SAB. So there's the basic formula, what we know. So shall I substitute directly here? Final separation when they meet 0. This will be position of A plus 10 minus 0. Initial, let me choose convention. What is the convention? Upward is positive. Positive. So therefore this will be plus 4 minus plus 20t minus G so this will be minus 10 equal to 4 minus this will be 16 t. T equal to 10 by 16. 5 by 8 seconds. We'll calculate velocity, sir. We'll get some exact picture. What is the path? So UA is how much? 4 minus 10, 5 by 8. 40 minus 50, 10 by 8. This will be 4 by 5. Minus, no, it will be. Now we have to interpret that sign also. What actually it is? UA, UB minus GT. UB is 20 minus 10, 5 by 8. 116 minus 50 will be 110, 110 by 8. It will be positive, definitely it will be positive. Anybody value this?
13.775.
13.75. Okay, now can you say that when A and B will meet or when they collide, how A and B will be moving is what the question will be. So look at the velocity of it, it's negative, no? I'll just shade it up. Just make observation. Green color here. I'm highlighting it. No, look at that negative sign. Please mute yourself. Somebody.
Sir, VA is minus 18 by 8, right, sir?
4 minus 10 by 5 by 8. How much you'll get?
Minus 9 by 4.
Minus 18 by 8, sir.
4 8 ja, oh, 4 8 ja 32, no? 18 by 8, huh? Okay, ma, yeah. I'll make correction. 18 by 8. Minus 9 by 4.
Minus 2.25, sir.
How much?
Minus 2.25.
Minus 2.25. Okay, now I think
Sir?
it is, yeah.
Sir, in the acceleration due to gravity, sir, we took minus g into t square by 2, right?
Yeah.
So it will be minus 2g into t square by 2, right? We
Sir,
cancelled
you
it.
forgot to keep
Oh, no.
one more minus, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
we
okay,
forgot.
Minus
Ah.
of minus g, sir.
It's there. Okay, not
Yes, sir.
visible for me. Okay, fine. Yeah. Minus g. Okay, visible. Yeah. Okay, these are velocity. So when they're colliding, what do you mean by VA negative? So when it's colliding, it will be descending vertically down. B what pen will be still ascending, whereas what happen A will be descending down. So at what height? So suppose from B, let me ask that one, or from A will calculate. So HA is equal to UAT minus GT square. 4 time is 5 by 8 minus 10 by 2. Anybody value of this?
10.54, sir.
How much? 7?
Wait, sir.
Anybody, if you are unable to hear my voice, unable to hear it no loudly, you ask me, I'll speak still more loudly. Maybe sometimes due to connectivity, you may not hear it very loudly. It will happen. So I'll just increase my
Sir,
loudness.
13.125, sir.
13.125.
Minus.
Why negative? It will be positive only, no? Negative, this one?
Yes, sir, negative.
Check once. 4, 5 by 8.
Sir, 0.5.
Yes, sir. 0.54, sir. We'll get 70 by 128.
HA will be how much? Anybody value of HA?
0.5. 0.54.
0.54.
0.54.
Somewhere here. So I'll plot the plot now. So it will be. It is going to ascend. It will continue its path. There won't be any problem. So what about this? This will be ascending. So here when somewhere here VA, the VB will be like this here. Both are right. So what is that H? No, that is what this H. Able to make it out? So sir,
Sir.
what?
Sir, we took height from the ground, right?
No, UA, no, for this one, no, for ball A, you can see HA.
Okay, sir.
This what happens. So when the A will strike B, when descending or ascending, they may ask you anything, no? So all about the mathematics here. You have to take help of mathematics, you have to interpret. There's no other way. No concept, nothing. Just take help of the basic equations of motion. With the help of the values, you have to interpret the motion path. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we'll take the next one. Two balls from the tower of height 20 meter, two balls A and B are thrown vertically up with the velocity
79 kids. 79 kids. Kids. No.
from the tower of height 20 meter, two balls. I just muted, it will disturb everyone. Two balls A and B are thrown. Don't feel anything bad if teacher mutes you, because it will disturb the total class. So immediately I'm muting it. It's not like something intentionally I'm doing. Please. Just wait, I'll stop the recording, then we'll